Hi there, and welcome to a video series on making customized videos. What I wanted to do here was just give you a little breakdown of how I structured these tutorial series, and also just how I think you could best approach going through them. So for example, there are 4 themed parts. The first one is around the devices that you can use to record. So I'm talking through the different types of video recording devices that you probably have access to already, or that you might be thinking of, and how you could use those. The second part is to do with video editing software options. So obviously, if you use these devices to record a few different types of video or pieces of video, you might want to stitch them together. You might want to have a picture at the front, or you might want to add some narration. So I talked through 3 different options here: Screenflow, Camtasia, and Screencast-O-Matic's Deluxe Edition. So I have details on each one in that video. So my suggestion to you when you're going through is, you'll see in the YouTube description underneath the video, you can read about the description. You'll see timestamps, and those timestamps will give you a clickable link that'll bring you to the right place that is of interest to you based on your setup. So that video will go through 3 different options, and you might find one that you think is user-friendly or is the most user-friendly, and that's the one you decide you might use for your video editing. In the third video, I just talked briefly about the importance of audio, because believe it or not, if you record a video, it's very important we get the audio correct. So some of the options that you have there will be discussed. And then finally, in the last video, I present some things I wish I knew when I started making videos, and just things that have really helped me understand different aspects of the production. And I'll also link to a resource, a paper that came from Karen in DKIT, and I think that gives you a really nice overview of different devices and materials and other technological aspects that you can read through. But I'll link that in the description to this video, and also in the What I Wish I Knew video too, in the description underneath. So I hope you find these series helpful. As I said, you can click into the ones that you find you might be interested in more, and I hope you get some benefit from them. Okay, best of luck with your video production.